Here at Lloyd Select Kelso, we are pleased to present this FORD FIESTA VIGNALE 1 litre EcoBoost, finished in moondust silver metallic exterior paint, with 17-inch, 10-spoke silver alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, electric sunroof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the tailgate, we can see the load space and the 60/40 rear folding seats. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sunroof from the inside and the black ruby hexagon seats with ISOFIX child seat mounts. And as we enter into the front of the cabin now, we can see the BA18 sound system badge on the door card, and we have the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the hands-free mobile controls, the gauge cluster with the digital display, and the cruise controls. On the touch display we can see the satellite navigation and DAB radio, as well as the rear camera display. On the center console we can see the climate controls with the heated seat buttons, the heated steering wheel button, and we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.